The wine glass slipped from my hand, crashing to the floor, but I barely noticed. My heart was pounding, my mind racing. I had already indulged in one vice, gluttony, stuffing myself with rich desserts until I could barely breathe. But it wasn't enough. I wanted more. I craved more. The idea had started as a simple thought, a fleeting temptation. But now, as I stood in front of the mirror, wiping chocolate from my lips, I couldn't shake the feeling that tonight was different. Tonight, I wanted to feel something more, something forbidden. I reached for my phone, my fingers trembling with anticipation. A name popped up, an old flame. Lust. The word echoed in my mind, daring me to take the next step. My thumb hovered over the screen, and I could already feel the heat rising in my chest. But could I really do it? Could I give in to that part of me I'd always kept locked away? Suddenly another thought hit me. Greed. What if I just splurged, bought whatever I wanted without thinking twice? The idea was as intoxicating as the wine. I could already see myself surrounded by luxury, basking in the glow of material wealth. But was that really what I wanted? Or was it just another distraction? And then there was envy, that nagging feeling that others had it better, that I deserved more. Could I take what wasn't mine? Could I be that person? My reflection stared back at me, eyes wide with a mix of fear and excitement. I was standing on the edge, teetering between who I was and who I could become if I gave in to these vices. The person I saw in the mirror wasn't just me. It was the me I could be if I let go of all the rules and restraints I'd lived by. There was a thrill in that thought, a dangerous allure that made my pulse quicken. What if I stopped holding back? What if, just for one night, I allowed myself to be consumed by desire, greed, envy, every sin I'd ever resisted? The very idea sent a shiver down my spine. The possibilities were endless, and so were the consequences. But standing there, on the precipice of indulgence, I couldn't help but wonder, who would I become if I took that leap? So here's my dilemma. If you were me, which vice would you indulge in first? Would you let the night take over, or would you pull back before crossing a line you can't uncross? What would you do if the chance to give in was right in front of you?